5S is a lean methodology aimed at transforming messy, confusing workplaces into ones that are clean and easy to work in. The actual steps that comprise 5S are sort, set in order, shine, standardize, sustain. The results of a successful 5S program include increased productivity, quality, safety, morale, and decreased waste. 5S begins with the sort step. Sorting works to eliminate all the unneeded tools and materials and creates a space free of clutter. This allows for a logical workflow free from distraction. A good rule of thumb is, if you do not use it on a daily basis, throw it out. Leave only the things you absolutely need to get the job done. The sort step can be difficult, as frequently employees get so used to the clutter that they don't even see it anymore. Red tags are an invaluable tool for this step. These help identify the objects that need to be removed from the workplace. When you see something that you think may need to be removed, you put a red tag on it. This lets everyone know that the item needs to be evaluated. After the sort phase is complete, it's time for set in order. The goal here is to create a standardized, consistent way to store and retrieve tools and materials. If items get used together, store them together. Put frequently used items closest to the user. Arrange tools and materials in order of use. Tool chests with drawer labels make finding that socket much easier, and the floor can even be labeled, indicating where trash cans, machinery, and other equipment should be placed. Floor marking can also improve organization during this step. In addition to improving safety, they can mark work areas, locations for materials, goods, processes, and more. Industrial floor tapes are often preferred to painted lines, as they are more resistant to damage and don't require long dry times. They are also easy to clean and require little upkeep. Now that everything is set in order, it's time to shine. When this step is implemented, two things will happen. First, your employees will enjoy coming to work in a clean environment. Second, because you are keeping the equipment and your surroundings in great shape, you will have fewer injuries and fewer equipment breakdowns. This means greater productivity and lower costs. In the 5S system, cleaning is everyone's responsibility, from managers to interns. If there is a standardized form for making cleanliness possible, it is more likely that everyone will use it. The daily shine practice should also include inspection and maintenance. Inspecting tools and machinery for damage should be included in a daily checklist. The goal of shine is to keep everything clean and working so it lasts as long as possible and doesn't break down. Once the workplace is clean and organized, it's time to standardize. This step creates a system of tasks and procedures that will ensure the principles of 5S are performed daily. Standardize uses 3 steps. 1. Make sure each employee knows their responsibilities. 2. Make it a part of their daily routine. And 3. Evaluate periodically. Finally, all these steps need to be continually used to make a difference. That's where the last S comes in, sustain. Sustain involves incorporating 5S into your daily routine, so it does not fall by the wayside. Assigning time to do these steps correctly is critical. For example, designate the 15 minutes before lunch and shift end as shine time. Get everyone involved across all departments. If employees see that management is not following the steps, do you think that they will continue to do it? Forming a rotating committee to oversee 5S can help with engagement as well. Posters, banners, and newsletters can be a constant reminder of the importance of 5S. The 6th S is safety. Programs that include this step are called 6S. Safety plays a critical role in every company and goes hand in hand with proper organization. In fact, 5S can be a huge first step in creating a safer workplace. Personal protective equipment, training, and easy-to-understand labels and signs can all contribute to a safe visual workplace. 5S is a system, a philosophy, and a culture. Remove clutter with sort, organize with set in order, clean with shine, set your routine with standardize, and motivate with sustain. It's that easy.